yard haunt update. No update. Oh, man. All right. I love when My Flippin' Life does his yard haunt update. And then, man, these damn birds scare me in the mornings. The stupid pigeons or doves live up here. Whew. They like scatter when it's like really dark when I walk Wolfie during the week before work. Man, them things take off and make me wrench my neck. But hey, look, I've got Halloween out. Look at that. And anyway, I will be doing an update, but I just wanted to do a precursor. As Wolfie and I do our morning walk, I don't know how many of you guys that watch me, if you're new or if you're old, Wolfie and I go for a morning walk on a leash because Mom will not let this baby. The internet, YouTube. Julie's saying, "Who are you talking to?" She just opened the window, but it feels really nice out. So there's Wolfie on her walk. Yeah, I'm doing a video. See? Julie doesn't trust me, guys. Yesterday, she saw a plush at work, a orange skeleton plush. She's like, "Who got you that?" Right. Yeah, she needs to slow her roll. Anyway, this one loves outside, and she loves to roll in the dirt. So I have this bench here, so we sit and we walk around and we sniff everything, and then we go to the front door, and she's like, "Okay, Dad, all clear." You got your leash all around your butthole there. Yep. You got your leaves all on you. Yep. Right, Wolfie, we come and walk, and then we sit on our bench for a while. And when it's super early in the morning, we'll kind of sometimes watch the sunrise from back there. Let's see. I got Halloween. Over here. Look, there's a skeleton. And then I got some fencing and stuff back there. There's my Halloween shed. There's an arch that actually stores right there. Yeah. So, all right, Wolfie, we gotta really get busy, don't we? We've got things to do. So today will be actually prep for pumpkin nights. Maybe I'll throw in a video here. We went yesterday and looked at the setup and where we're gonna be. And so today I've got to get my two skeletons with the coffin out. The two skeletons that carry that small coffin. It's like a coffin cooler thing. I think we use it to hand out candy usually every year. That holds our plushes at the event, right, Wolfie? And then we've got to get our giant pumpkin stack out from Home Depot. Another vendor and us. Whoa. Whoa. You hear that cat scream? Wolfie, what you gonna do? You ain't doing nothing. You just coming to see what's up? Ooh, Wolfie, what was that? You hear that? Look at that tail. You interrupted my vlog, Wolfie. Let me get your thing untangled here. Anyway, you gotta get the pumpkin stack. Oh, there's that cat over there must have just, he had his little, look at his little butt up. He had a little Halloween kitty motion going on here a second ago. Gotta get the big pumpkin stack, find that, unbury it from the garage. Oh, the big pumpkin. We did a big archway, and if I could find the video, I'll put it in here. It was a huge archway we did, a lighted pumpkin archway, and I need to repair that. All the lights got messed up, and I need to fix that with some all right, Wolfie, let's go in. Come on. Wolfie, come on. We're still videoing. So, all right, Wolfie, come here. I guess I can show you guys. Julie did a little decorating yesterday. Ooh. All right, Julie did a little inside decorating yesterday, which is cool. I really like to get my Halloween tree up, but I don't know if it's gonna happen this year. But she did the mantle yesterday, which is super cool. I came home and I was like, oh my God, this is so awesome. This is the new ghost we got this year. And then she did all this ghosts here. All right, people. So I'm working on our pumpkin arch for pumpkin nights. So I kind of cobbled it really fast together last year. I mean, I have my pumpkin wall that I do, but it was only 3 5-foot pieces. But this pumpkin arch was a 20-foot span. So I had to create this one. I say 5 foot, there's 6 foot, 3 6-foot spans. So I had to create this one. So I'm using 2 6-foot and then whatever this was, 8 foot, to create a 20-foot wide thing. And the pumpkins kept falling off, weren't very stable. So now I just grate stuffed. I mean, these bad boys are on here. And then what I'm doing right now is, these were just where the holes originally were for these light up jack-o'-lanterns. So I'm going in and I'm just drilling a big hole for the lights to go in. And I can easily replace this strand if I need to. And what I did was I ended up adding quick connects. That way I could take all 3 of these apart. So I just put them up and then connect the barrel plugs, and then I've got it. So now I can load them and I can easily, you know, hook them up once I get out there. Yeah, this has actually been fun working on this today. I love me some pumpkins, I love me some orange, and I love me building some Halloween props. And with us doing our business, we've been really just doing skulls. I haven't been doing any pumpkin stuff or just any Halloween-ish stuff. It's all been just stuff on Etsy and skulls and things like that. So this has actually been a really fun break. It's a lot of work, but at the same time, it was a nice change of pace to work on this today. So, man, if it wasn't so freaking hot, if it were cool today, oh, today would have been I'm like, wow, this was so much fun, but it's a little hot. So I got my fan going. But I do have a little shade. I need to hurry up and get this finished because the sun is creeping up on me. All right. 20 foot of pumpkin arch is complete. I got all of them super mega secured on there. I mean, they're on there. Them bad boys aren't coming off. Touched them up with a little bit, spritz of little orange paint. Got all the holes drilled in the back of every single one of them. Got the quick connects on all of the bulbs. They're just ready to install. So, super awesome. Whoop, whoop. That was actually really fun.